Shut up, bro. Alright. It's a whole lot of fuel. Okay, this O-ring messed up, that's where it's leaking from. Second cylinder, this is good. First one is stuck on the rail. Okay, now let's see if we can take this out. To remove it from both sides because there's a huge fuel leak, so we figured since we're opening we can change all of them. So this one is stuck here, this O-ring is damaged over here. There's two 8mm bolts, one is over here and one is over there in the back, and then it just pops out. Just make sure you disconnect the fuel injector wiring first. This one has a red clip that goes on top of it, and then on the bottom is going to have to push it inside, and then you can take it out. So I'm going to show you here on the other side. There's 2, 3, 4 is over here. Alright, so as I said before, there's one here where my finger is, 8mm, and there's one right here, and then it just pops out. On this side is easier. Back one, just don't loosen it all the way, you just loosen the end of it with your hand so you don't drop the bolt. Fairly easy, it's not too difficult of a job, you can do it yourself. Changing the O-rings, because this one is damaged and it's leaking fuel, so we figured we'd do all of them at the same time, just to be safe. And this one just pops out just like that. Just make sure you clean the fuel, try to prevent it from not going too much down, otherwise you're going to smell the fuel burning. So there, that one has a lot of fuel. See this one over here in the back, it's being a little stubborn. Jiggle it around, and this one popped out with the whole injector. Very nice. Both of them. The first one came out the whole injector, so we're gonna have to remove this hose to give us some room, and this bracket here so we can bring it to the back. And then this one here has an 8mm bolt, the PCV, to be able to take it out completely. Alright, let's see. Alright, so There we go. PCB, so you can just slide this under here. Let's see if the injector over there is going to be kind of in the way. This has this just has a clip right here. You can push it out and then it comes out. So it's fairly easy. You don't need a lot of tools for this job. So I'm not going to remove that bracket yet. Alright, so here we go. Now we got the whole rail out. Fairly easy. These ones are stuck in there. The first injector was stuck in. Gotta change the seal for that. And then you just put everything back the way you took them out. Should be fairly easy. Just you put the seals first on the injector, and then you put the rail on top of it. Just make sure they're all good and they don't get pinched. And then from there, you just close it back up.